Why does S3, using with Boto and Django-Storages, give signed URL even for public files? This is strange. I have mix of public as well as private files. I want normal URLs in public files, and signed URLs in private files. I tried to change AWS_queryString_auth to false as I see by default, it's true in Django-Storages. But when I change it, my private file's URL is not signed, thus not accessible. Maybe I am missing something here. What can be solution? Thanks in advance.
AWS_queryString_auth sets the default behavior, but you can override it when you create an instance of S3 Boto storage by passing in an additional argument to the initializer. So if you have one bucket private and another bucket public, you can set the queryString_auth argument appropriately and get your desired behavior.
Put this in your settings.py. Another way to get around this is to set AWS_3_custom_domain in your settings. Let's see. This URL, tested with Boto == 2.38.0 and Django-Storages Redux == 1.3.
You can create separate storage types for separate folders, directories, and manage the access permission there. With Django, create a file you can call storage_aws.py and add the following. Use default_ACL to define the access, public or private. Use location to define location. You can specify paths like *note the queryString_auth equals false or true. Then when you define your model, you can specify which location to use for which model. The private files will have query string while the public ones will not, as defined in the storage_aws.py file.